Hello my dear, message para sa iyo. Hello Facebook, hello YouTube, and hello TikTok. Upload ko kasi to sa tatlong platform. So hello sa inyo mga my dear. Tingnan natin 5 cards message para sa iyo my dear. Tingnan natin galing saan yung message. Galing sa from your future self, the 9 of Pentacles, okay? So if you are single, my dear, this is a very, very good energy kasi sinasabi dito, my dear, sa energy ng 9 of Pentacles. If you are single watching this right now, na magkakaroon ka daw, my dear, ng maraming abundance na parating sa'yo, maraming blessing, my dear, to come. Okay? Future self mo yan. That's you. If you are single, okay? And sinasabi over here, we have here the 4 of Pentacles. You need to let go of the past, okay? Yung mga things na posibleng partner niya kasi is the Knight of Swords. So, you need to let go dito sa mga hawak-hawak mo, my dear, na posibleng mga burden, mga pain inside you para mag-open yung door dito sa mga blessing, my dear, na parating para sa'yo. But this is a really, really good card for you, my dear. Kasi sinasabi dito, my dear, na maraming mga parating sa'yo if you are actually single. Kung taken ka, this is not going to resonate for you, my dear. Hintay-hintay ka sa mga next message ko. Okay? Magiging mahirap to para sa'yo, my dear, okay? Na mag-move on from the pain, from the things na nakasakit sa'yo, my dear, in the past. But that is the right way, my dear, na gawin mo. Okay? Last card tayo. And we have here the Page of Cups. Control your emotion, my dear. Don't let your emotion destroy your dreams and yung mga bagay na parating sa'yo, my dear. Congratulations if you are watching this na you are single sign. I will be putting also over here yung mga zodiac sign na posibleng 100% na makaresonate dito, my dear. For more like this content, don't forget to follow me sa lahat ng social media platform na meron tayo. Maraming salamat po.